Hey guys, welcome to Lux Paris. Today's video is all about my thoughts and impressions on the newly launched Louis Vuitton Slim Purse. In today's video, I will also show you what you can actually fit inside of this slim purse and of course let you know if I think it's worth the cost. So if that sounds like something you're interested in watching, I hope you'd consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's talk about the detailed features of the slim purse. It is available in the beautiful reverse monogram that is featured in today's video. You can also purchase it in the classic monogram print. It currently retails for 510 US dollars or 350 euros. It is 7.9 inches in length, 4.3 inches in height, and 0.2 inches wide. The exterior of the slim purse features a slip pocket that you can use to insert your bills. And as you guys can see, the exterior slip pocket is very wide. You can also place your receipts in here, gift cards, whatever you choose, but your bills will comfortably fit inside of the exterior slip pocket. Here's a look at the bottom of the slim purse, and it features glazing throughout the bottom as well as the sides of the slim purse. So that is something that you want to be mindful of as it pertains to wear and tear. With some Louis Vuitton pieces, glazing can be a wear and tear issue. I have had an experience with other pieces where the glazing has melted off, but Louis Vuitton does stand behind their products, and if it does happen, they can reglaze it for you, but that is something that you want to be mindful of. Here's a look at the side, and as I mentioned, you also have glazing on the side. The back of the slim purse features 8 card slots, and as you guys can see, I've already placed some cards in the slots so that you can see what it looks like fully stuffed with cards. Now, when it comes to Louis Vuitton card holders and wallets in general, you can double up your cards and the card slots. However, when it comes to the slim purse, I wouldn't recommend doing so, especially if you're planning on utilizing this as an all-in-one wallet slash clutch, because of the fact that you can place your smartphone in the middle compartment. If you do decide to double up on your cards, number one, you will experience stretching on the card slots, and it will also expand the exterior pocket when you have content stored in the middle compartment. It can be done, however, I would not recommend it. What I love the most about the slim purse is the fact that it features this zippered compartment and gold hardware. And when you unzip the slim purse, it opens up to a very wide and deep middle compartment. You also have your maiden stamp towards the back, and this particular piece was made in Spain. What I love the most about the interior is the fact that Louis Vuitton chose the softest grained cowhide leather, and I also love the fact that the interior features black leather lining, so you're not going to have to worry about the interior getting dirty. What I also love about the slim purse is the fact that it's very sleek. It can be carried in the hand or slipped inside of your handbag. I also like to use it as a clutch. And as I mentioned, your smartphone will fit comfortably in this middle compartment. I own both the iPhone 8 as well as the iPhone 12. I am utilizing the iPhone 12 to film today's video. However, I did snap a photo of the iPhone 12 comfortably in the middle compartment, so I'll go ahead and insert that for you guys. For those of you that own the iPhone 12, yes, it will fit in this middle compartment even with a bulky case, as well as a nanogram ring holder, as you guys can see. So I love that about this particular compartment, that it will accommodate my iPhone 12. However, just keep in mind, if you do place the iPhone 12, you're not going to be able to fit other essentials such as a key pouch or your 4-ring key holder, or any compact essentials that you would like to add in here to utilize this as a clutch. It fits, but you're not going to be able to place anything else inside. If you own an iPhone 8 or 10, the iPhone 8 will fit comfortably inside of the middle compartment. And here's a look at the iPhone 8 inside. And as you guys can see, in comparison to the iPhone 12, I have plenty of room if I want to add other essentials. When it comes to the middle compartment of the slim purse, because of its silhouette and shape, when you have your smartphone stored inside, you're not going to be able to add a whole lot of essentials, but I will show you what you can fit. If you want to be able to carry more essentials, I would recommend removing your smartphone. But if you want to have a grab and go clutch and you want to be able to store your smartphone inside, let me go ahead and show you what else you can fit besides your smartphone. If you own the pochette clay, that will fit, and I currently have some keys stored inside. For those of you that own the pochette clay, you guys know that it has a very wide opening. You can also store your key fob in here. So we'll go ahead and place that right in front of the iPhone 8. And as you guys can see, that fits perfectly. And this is what I meant earlier when I stated that you're not going to be able to fit a whole lot of essentials. So pretty much just your phone and your keys. And you can also add additional cards inside of the pochette clay if the 8 card slots in the back aren't sufficient. So now let me go ahead and close it so that you can see how she looks fully stuffed and closed with the smartphone and the pochette clay. And there you go, guys. As you guys can see, it closes perfectly. The zipper pull is a little bit wonky, but that is to be expected because of the shape of the slim purse. So here's a frontal view. And as you guys can see, the exterior pocket of the slim purse is starting to expand. And this is what I was referring to earlier when I mentioned that once you start storing contents in the middle compartment, you can expect for the exterior to expand. Here's a look at the back with the 8 cards stored in each slot. And again, as I mentioned, you can definitely see that it's starting to expand out. So that's one of the reasons why I would not recommend doubling up your card. Here's a top view. So look at the side and the opposite side. So this is a great grab and go option. I love the fact that I have everything that I need for a quick errand run. If you own the 4 or 6 ring key holder, that will fit comfortably inside of the middle compartment with the iPhone, and it will still close. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Look at the 4 ring key holder with the iPhone, and now let's go ahead and close her up. As you guys can see, it does close. However, the zipper is even more distorted than it was earlier with the pochette clay. Here is a frontal view. So you have a little bit of a dip here. So that is something to be mindful of. And here's a look at the back. So again, you guys are starting to see that the cards that I currently have stored in the top card slots are starting to stretch. I wouldn't recommend placing your 4 or 6 ring key holder in here. It does fit. I prefer the look of the pochette clay versus the 4 or 6 ring key holder. If you own the pochette kirigami, that will also fit in addition to your smartphone. Here's a look at the pochette kirigami and the smartphone. And as you guys can see, that closes perfectly. Here's a frontal view, and here's a look at the back. If you wanted to use the slim purse as a mini date night bag, and you decide to place your compact mirror inside, that will fit perfectly. So this one is a slim Chanel double face compact mirror. And I also placed a Chanel lipstick inside. So a lipstick will also fit in addition to your compact mirror and your smartphone. So now let's go ahead and close her. And there you go, guys. That actually closes perfectly. Here is a top view, a frontal view, and here's a look at the back. I also have some Chanel blotting paper. So if you wanted to take this with you instead of the double face mirror, this one also has a mirror in addition to the blotting sheets. So that will fit perfectly because of the fact that it's very slim and compact. This is what it looks like inside. I will attempt to see if the pochette clay will fit with this option. I personally don't carry my keys with me if I'm going out on a date because my husband usually drives. But if you are going to be driving and you're meeting up your boyfriend or significant other and you're not necessarily going in the same car, let's see if your keys will fit perfectly in here in addition to the mirror and your lipstick. So again, I recommend placing the pochette clay because of the fact that it's flat and it does fit. So here's a look at the pochette clay, my smartphone, my mirror and blotting sheets, as well as a lipstick. The true test will be whether or not it will close with this option. So let's go ahead and see. And yeah, it's a struggle to close. So I wouldn't recommend this option. I mean, it does close, as you guys can see, but it was a little bit of a struggle, and the exterior pocket is even more stretched. Here's a look at the back. So if you don't care much for this look, I wouldn't recommend adding all of the contents that I currently have stored inside. but they do fit. It does close, so you have everything that you need for your date night. And if you didn't want to carry your smartphone inside of the middle compartment and you'd rather have your keys and everything that you need for your touch-ups, you can remove it. You do have more space by removing your smartphone. So here's a look at the interior. So I removed the smartphone and added the pochette kirigami, the pochette clay. I still kept the Chanel compact mirror and my lipstick. It does close with this option when you remove the smartphone. And as you guys can see, the exterior isn't as puffy as it was earlier with the smartphone stored inside. Here's a look at the back. So the card slots are still stretched and expanded, but not as bad as it was earlier. So this is also another great option. If you like to carry your smartphone in your hand and you don't care much for placing your smartphone in the zippered compartment, you can fit more essentials. Overall, I love the slim purse. It's very sleek, it's compact. You can carry it as a clutch or even utilize it as a wallet inside of your handbags. I think it's reasonably priced. 510 US dollars or 350 euros is a great price point for an all-in-one wallet. So if you own the pochette accessoire, yes, the slim purse does fit comfortably inside of the pochette accessoire. And look at the interior, guys. I still have plenty of room if I want to add other essentials. I could still add my smartphone towards the front, add my Chanel compact mirror towards the back if I wanted to, my 4-ring key holder, and as you guys can see, I still have a little bit of room if I want to add other essentials. So this to me is perfect. The fact that it fits in a small bag such as the pochette accessoire is definitely worth it to me. That concludes my thoughts and impressions on the Louis Vuitton Slim Purse. I hope you found this video helpful and it helped you make a decision as to whether or not you should add this piece to your collection. As always, I thank you so much for tuning in to Lux Paris, and I will chat with you guys in my next video.